everybody here at the Long Island Gaming League, I'd like to thank everybody at Vertagear for being a part of our community and everything that we get to do moving forward. I can't wait to see what else comes from this partnership. Please don't forget to follow us on our socials, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and definitely check out our website. And please don't forget to follow Vertagear on all the socials that they have and check out their website. And of course, order yourself one of these bad boys. I'm going to catch you guys later. Have a great day.